So ito na nga yung tanong.
Team Sabic o Team Laban?
Kakalabas lang namin ng Love You So Bad.
LYSB.
Yes, starring Bianca De Vera, Will Ashley, and Dustin Yu.
Yes.
Yun. So this is a Tri-Nation production. Alam mo yun? Star Cinema.
Collaboration. The ultimate collaboration
The ultimate.
ng taon.
Grabe.
Star Cinema, GMA Pictures, and Regal.
And Regal Films. Yun. So, as always, this is our Cine Geeks non-spoiler walking talk. I'm Roy.
And Angela.
Yes. Okay. So, a lot of thoughts. Pero, yung the rest of our thoughts, i-relay na namin sa aming full audio-only episode review.
Ito, excited akong pag-usapan.
Same.
Kasi, as in, ang dami ko talagang thoughts dito.
Pero, kung papapiliin ka ng one thing that you really liked about this film, what is it?
I love their acting. Ang galing-galing. Sobrang impressed ako. Ang galing-galing ni Bianca. As in, she's a star to watch out for. She's a big star in the making. And I'm so happy to see her. Hindi ko alam, I haven't seen her other work in the past, pero sobrang happy ako sa nakita ko sa performance niya dito. As in. And of course, the leading men. Ang galing din nila. Ang galing nila lahat. And no
galing.
notes. No notes sa acting. Sobrang galing.
Ang ganding ng acting nitong scene na to. Talagang they all display such an incredible amount of maturity for their age. Yung tipong gabing, I mean, oo, Gen Z siya na kwento, pero syempre heavy pa rin yung emotions nung love triangle nila eh. And even their personal, kahit yung personal life nila, sobrang bigat din nung emotions talaga. And I love how they were able to deftly handle it.
Yes.
Ang sa akin naman, ang pinakapanalo dito, ang galing ng writing ni, I hope I got it right, Crystal San Miguel. And of course, in direction ni May Cruz Alvear, one of our sure hands in terms of rom-com films. And
It's a classic in the making.
True.
I can boldly say that.
to, pero ito pa, one more thing. Sobrang ganda ng DP, ng cinematography. Credit to DP Zach Sisip, ang ganda ng lente. I can't wait to talk about this in full. Pero yeah, if you're looking for a recommendation for this film, this is a 2 thumbs up. One from me and one from Ange. Don't miss Love You So Bad. Yun, sige na, baka ano pa masabi natin.
So, i-comment nyo na lang kung Team Sabic or Team Laban kayo.
Yes, okay. So, for this Cine Geeks Walk and Talk, I'm Roy.
And Angela.
We'll see you in the next one.